Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Jessica Valdez. I am 34 years old. I live in Tambong Gloria, Oriental, Mindoro. I am a single mother and I have four kids, ages 15 years old, 13 years old, 11 years old, and 8 years old. I am a high school graduate. My work experience abroad was in Saudi Arabia from April 2018 to June 2023. I served four members of the family, two adults and two children, ages 12 years old and 14 years old. My main duties are taking care of the kid, but I also do cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking. I have also worked experience was in Parañaque City from December 2013 to March 2015. I serve four members of the family, two adults and two children, ages 16 years old and 21 years old. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and marketing. I also have work experience was in Batasan, Quezon City from August 2007 to August 2008. I served three members of the family, two adults and one kid, age 9-year-old. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kid, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning, and cooking. To my future employer, Madam and Sir, give me a chance to serve in your family as well. Thank you and God bless you.